Hello everyone, this is Devavitra from Penetration Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the basic knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down one professional resume, what are the things you need to do in an HR interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I've tried to provide you the basic knowledge as per my knowledge. So in my today's session, I'm trying to give you some idea about the technologies, that is what is called AI. In my previous session, I've talked about AI. Right now, I'm trying to provide you the knowledge about what is machine learning. We all know the term who is familiar with technology, that machine learning is one of the technology that we use. So what is the meaning of machine learning? Right now, I'm trying to provide you the basic knowledge about it. So guys, let's get started. So, what is called machine learning? Machine learning is a form of artificial intelligence based on algorithms that are trained on data. Okay, so those algorithms can detect patterns on learn how to make predictions and the recommendations by the processing data and the experiences. Rather than by receiving explicit programming instructions, the algorithms also adapt in response to new data and experiences to improve their efficacy over time. The volume of complexity of data that is now begin generated too fast for humans to reasonably reckon with has increased the potential of machine learning as well as that need for it. In the years since its widespread deployment, which began in the 1970s, machine learning has had impact in a number of industries, including attributes in medical imaging analysis and high-resolution weather forecasting. So, right now, what is called after machine learning, what is called deep learning. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that can process a wider range of data resources like images, for instance, in addition to text, requires even less than human intervention and can often produce more accurate results than the traditional machine learning. Deep learning use networks based on the way neurons interact in the human brain to ingest data and process into multiple interactions that learn increasingly complex features of the data. The neural network can then make a determination about the data, learn whether a determination is correct, and use what it has learned to make determination about new data. For example, once it learns what an object look like, it can recognize the object in a new image also. So here are three types of artificial neural networks used in machine learning. The feed-forward neural network. In this simple neural network, first proposed in 1958, information moves in only one direction, forward from the model's input layer to its output layer, without even traveling backward to the realized by the model. That means you can feed or input data in the model, then train the model to predict something about different data sets. As just one example, feed-forward neural networks are used in banking, among other industries, to detect the fraudulent financial transaction. Here is how it works. First, you train a model to predict whether the transaction is fraudulent based on a data set you have used to manually label transactions as fraudulent or not. Then you can use the model to predict whether new incoming transactions are fraudulent, so you can flag them for closer study or block them outright. So the convolutional neural network, that is called CNNs. CNNs are a type of feed-forward neural network model on the makeup of the animal visual cortex, the part of the brain that processes images. As such, CNNs are well suited for the perceptual tasks, like being able to identify bird or plant or species based on the photograph. Business use cases include diagnosing diseases from medical scans or detecting a company logo in social media to manage a brand's reputation or identify the potential joint marketing opportunities. So Here is how CNNs work. First, the CNS receives an image, for example, of the letter A that is processed as a collection of pixels. In the hidden layer, the CNN identifies unique features, for example, the individual lines that make up A. The CNN can now classify a different image as a letter of A if it finds that the image has the unique features previously identified as a making of letters. So, recurrent neural network, that is called RNN. RNN is the artificial neural network whose connections include loops, meanings, and the models both moves data forward and loops it in backward to run again their previous layer. RNNs are helpful for predicting a sentiment or an ending of a sequence, like a large sample of text, speech, or images. They can do this because each individual input is fed into the model by itself as well as in the combination with the preceding input. So, continuing with the banking example, RNN can help detect the fraudulent financial transactions just as feed-forward network, neural network can, but in a more complex way, whereas feed-forward neural networks can help predict whether one individual transaction is likely to be fraudulent. Recurrent neural networks can learn from the financial behavior of an individual, such as a sequence of transactions like a credit card history, and measure each transaction against the person's record as a whole. It can do this in addition to using the general learning of the feed-forward neural network model. So, this is the whole thing of machine learning. I have tried to provide you the prior knowledge about machine learning. If you wanted to know more about it, you can communicate with us in PCS Global. We are providing the training in machine learning. We are providing the training in AI, data science. So we are the people who are providing you the first guidance about technology, and we are providing the training in Java DevOps, in Salesforce, in Java full stack technology. If you wanted to see yourself as a candidate who wanted to be a IT professional, PCS Global is always here to help you. More than 400 plus people have joined PCS Global, and right now they are learning. They are started their career through our placement training. If you are the one of them who wanted to see yourself as a technical person, kindly communicate with us. And right now PCS Global has their own center, in international center, I mean to say, that is located in Bengaluru. We have our another office in Kolkata and Bhubaneswar. Kindly communicate with us, and if you are located in Bengaluru, you can visit our physical centers. Our walk-in sessions are already going on in Bengaluru center, and we have started our journey with the Bengaluru center right now. So visit over there and learn about technology. There is some people, our HR persons are there. They will provide you all the details about how you can join PCS Global, how you can work with us, and about the technologies, the latest technologies, latest framework, how the live projects are going on. You will get to know after joining the placement training, that is our EILP program, that is Employee Initiation Learning Program. So you can join over here and you can learn from our side. So this is for now, guys. If you find my videos are helpful, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and do comment below. And visit PCS Global, get the best from our side. For this is for now. Bye.